Okay. Welcome everybody. This is your boy Jake Paul. Back at it again with another video. We're doing a review on the lava thing. It's nice.
Bubbler.
It's a lava bubbler. Costs about 16 bucks. It's good. I would recommend it. It looks nice. If you actually give a shit about your fish and actually want nice shit, then you should get it. But if you don't give a fuck and you have like some piece of shit goldfish, then I wouldn't get it. That shit's me.
Show them the manta ray.
We have some other things as well, some gems, some marbles.
A glow in the dark rock, a manta ray.
We got a bridge, we got a weird looking tree back there, we got a pyramid, we got a manta ray right there. You know, we got some gourmet in there, we got some black script tetras, we got some regular tetras. We got 2 glowfish tetras, we got 2 green barbs, 2 red barbs.
That were our glowfish barbs.
Glowfish barbs.
Look at the blue.
Look at this green one. You see how it has one eye right there? Now check this out. That nigga's missing an eye. See? You guys see that? That fucker's missing an eye.
This is how you zoom in.
So I would recommend buying fish with 2 eyes instead of 1, but you know shit happens. Whatever.
And then let's
And this is the tank when it's on the blue light. You see that?
all the fish get more
Give us
excited.
your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe and like. If you don't, then go fuck yourself.
I'll beat you up.